Hello students, I am back with the third part of the video of this chapter, the French Revolution. Okay, this is the part number 3. Till now we had discussed a lot in this chapter. We discussed that how was the country France before 1789. We discussed that what people did, because we took first impression from here, that what people did on 14 July 1789, that is called the day of French Revolution started. After that, I told you, then in the second part we discussed about the French society during the late 18th century. We discussed how people were living in the different kind of states. It means that was the we can say the levels of the society. Okay, we talked about colleges, nobility, and third estate. Also, after that, we discussed about the Louis XVI, who was the king of from Bourbon dynasty or family of France. He became the king in 1774. I told that he found empty treasury. It means he didn't have anything in his account, very less in his account. Why this was, I told you about 3 reasons. For knowing this, you can watch the second part of this video. In the end, we were discussing about that how people were harassing that time, how people were very disappointed with this system, because around 90 to 95% people come under third estate, and they only had to pay the tax, and the clergies and nobility, they were enjoying their privileges means extra advantages they were taking. So, and I told you about these three words also here, as you can see: liver, clergy, tithe, and tele. So tally, it means we discussed about it. Huh? So now we are going to learn next in the third part. Okay, before starting the third part, we can see this picture here. Very interesting picture it is. It is a painting actually. So we can see here one person is sitting on the chair. So he is from the nobility state. So it means now he has the authority person from king to collect the tax from the villagers, and these are the this person is a kind of villager. So just we can see, nothing we have to discuss a lot. We just see the face and see the face up. He is a kind of proudy person, and then he is wearing good clothes, and he is sitting in very good situation. At the same time, he is very poor person, and we can see only very little things he were having. And that time, it means the society was there. Just need to understand that only these people were giving the tax, only these people, it means they were feeding the country. Okay, they were the person who were running the country, and these kind of people who were sitting only and enjoying. Just see the contradiction here. Okay, so that was the situation. The figure number, this one what we are discussing, it was named the spider and the fly. Spider and the fly, it means in this, spider is this nobility person, and fly considered as this poor person. Now we'll come to this one, why this situation came. It means the revolution kind of thing, why it occurred in the in France. First we understood the society division, social division in France. So now the first point is struggle to survive. Why? Because that time France population was around 23 million. 23 million, it means 2.3 crore. Okay, 2 crore and 30 lakh people. When in 1715. Okay, in 1715, the we can say the population of this country was around 2 crore and 30 lakh. Okay, and in within we can say around 80 year, or we can say 70 year, it means 1970 sorry 70, in 1879 the population became 2.8 crore. 2.8 crore. So it means the hike of 50 lakh, 50 lakh people increased in this country. But population increased, but it means the food grain and other production did not increase. This led the rapid increase in the demand for the food grain. By when in a small country like France, that time only 2 crore 30 lakh people were there. Then in few years, it means 70 to 80 years, now they have become 50 lakh more people there. So the simply the demand for the food increased, and the production of grain could not keep pace with the demand. So demand was very high and supply was very low. So when demand will be high and supply will not be the same, so price will go up. Okay, it is basic thing. By if there is lot of thing, it means you want to purchase onion in the market, we see every year we get onion in different prices in the year. By when in the market less onion, so price goes up. Okay, and when so many onions in the market, okay, so the price goes down. Same thing in France, that time the food grain was the demand was very high because 50 lakh people, we can say, increase. Now you will see, you will talk, sir, 50 people, 50 lakh only. So if we are seeing this according to India, so it is very less. But if we see a country who is having only 2 crore and 30 lakh people, and they increase 50 lakh, okay, so it means around, we can say, it is around we can say 30% like population increased. Okay, so not 30, nahin, around 20% increased, है ना? So we can see the very bad situation it was. So now, when they were not having food grain, people were very poor, and so price of bread which they were taking, so the price bread went up. Okay, it become very costly. Most workers were employed as laborers in the workshop, whose owner fixed their wages. So people were working in the factories and other kind of thing. Okay, and we can see that those owners, those factory owners, they fix their wages, it means their salary, very low salary. Salary was low, demand was high of grain, and supply was very less. So then people were unable to purchase the breads, but wages did not keep pace with the rise in the price, so gap between the poor and rich widened. Rich become more richer, poor become more poorer. Things became worse whenever drought or hail reduced the harvest. So when the farmers were doing well, okay, no problem. But when sometime with rain is not there or something else there, na, so when harvest become bad, okay, no food grain in the field, so that time situation become very bad. So that type of situation is called subsistence subsistence crisis. Subsistence crisis, it means an extreme situation where the basic means of livelihood are endangered. It means when that situation, when people are not having food for eating, for their saving life, they were not having. So simply we can see then a kind of subsistence crisis started being raised here. So that was in old regime. Old regime, in the last video I told, old regime, it means before 1789 government, it is called old regime. Okay, so I hope you understood this, that population increased, demand increase of food was not enough, they set their very less salary was less, we can say demand was very high. Just because demand was very high, bread price went up, they were not able to purchase the breads, and people were dying just because of food. Okay, so now this they have given here, by if bad harvest there, bad harvest, it means, now bad harvest, it means no money, they were having no money, no grain, we can say no grain. Oh, no grain. Okay, when they were not having the grain, so then what will happen? Okay, so they will have less money. okay, in this less money, and they will not have the less, they will have the less money, so the poorest cannot longer buy bread, so they were not allowed or they were not able to purchase the bread. So then what happened when they are not able to purchase the bread? So just because of this they die. Okay, people die, people die just because of hunger. If some people are there who did not die, so what they will do? So those who did not die, so they become the part of disease epidemics. Epidemics, it means as this time corona is going, so that time people were dying just because of food scarcity, starvation, and other, like when we were not having the food and we become very weak, so many kind of disease happens na, and then in end of the day they die. Few people who started doing crime and different kind of thing, so the end of the day they also die, है ना? So this kind of thing we can understand, you can feel this. Now that was the situation, okay, of France, where king was not thinking about their people, where the nobility were, uh, they are also looting, they were also looting the people. Okay, the churches, they were not supporting people, they were also taking the tax from them. People were not having the food. What people will do? Okay, they will have a kind of anger inside them, na. So but only anger is not the solution, and anger is not the way of expressing their thoughts. They need someone, okay, people need someone to show this. So who are those people? So in France that time a new class, middle class, clergies and nobility were the upper class, okay, and the we can say the third state people were third class. One other class, it means the middle class, those who were businessmen, who, those who started a business outside of the country, inside of the country, they earned the money. Those people who earned the money, but they were from the third class, it means third state, those people. So these like what they are telling here, they were saying कि भाई when people were having these problems, it means they were not having food, they have to pay more taxes and kind of these things na, they were facing the problem. So they many time they protested, many time they went to king, they sit there कि भाई please take back your taxes or other kind of thing. But for how many days they can do? They were not having food, they were not having work, so they had to come back. Okay, so now this middle class na, they were having little money and they can do this thing for longer. Which thing? They can protest for longer because they were having the money. So the same thing they have written here. Okay, so what one thing more change, that this middle class started getting education. They were having the money, prosperity they were having, I mean they were having the good money, and at the same time they were having education. Okay, and they were having new ideas also. New ideas, it means bhai when a person who is just living for earning the two time meal, so can he think something new? No, he can only think how I'll get the evening food, how I'll manage the morning food, and this only. So that person cannot get the education also and cannot bring the new ideas. So those people who were middle class, those who were having the money, so from the third class or third state, so they were having the new ideas. Now they started thinking, by why this happening in our country? Okay, we are also human being like our king, our nobility person, our clergies. We are also having the same thing. But after that, all we are doing the hard work. Actually, they understood. They understood when we are doing the hard work, they only are enjoying. Okay, so now they were having the time and they were having the idea of thinking this कि भाई now we need to know, we need to fight for this. So what happened then? They made many social groups. Okay, so that is called middle class who earned their wealthy. It means just we need to understand that those were the people who were earning good. Okay, they were having the many businesses like the woolen and silk textile. They went outside of the country, like that time Britain was having the we can say having the control in some part of India. They were also having some part, they were also having the control in some part of the world. So that time, so we can see they were having the businesses there, they were earning the money from there. Now what they did, so they started talking against the privilege of birth. Privilege of birth, it means by Kalarjis were having the benefits from their birth. A Kalarji's son will become Kalarji. Okay, they will have the right to take the taxes from the people, है ना. So this type of thing, they were educated na, and they were not believed in the group in society, and they talked there why this privilege, why this extra advantage is given to them, है ना. Rather a person's social position must depend on the merit. By when the social situation should be based on the merit, it means if a person is qualified, so give him any designation, any post. By this is not the way na, like a minister son will become minister, no. Okay, so at that time many thinkers, it means the philosopher, it means those who think differently. Okay, they started writing their books in France. Okay, who were those? The two names are very bright here. Many philosophers were such as John Locke. Okay, in Hindi we called it John Locke. है ना? It is called Locke, not Locke. है ना? So John Locke, and second one very important, Jean Jacques Rousseau. Jean Jacques Rousseau. In his two we can say treatise of government, Jean Jacques Rousseau and John Locke. So John Locke wrote a book, two treatise of government. So in this they told people, okay, about this doctrine of the divine. Now let me tell you about the doctrine of the divine. Doctrine of divine, it means by that time people thought, understand very clearly it, that time people thought the king is the messenger of God. King is the messenger of God. It means everyone not cannot become king. So God have given him a kind of blessing to rule on us. Okay, understanding. Okay, so it means just we can understand that time they put in the mind of people, they people put in the mind of the people that we are the one who is sent by God, that's why we are ruling on you. But this person, John Locke, he told people in two treatises of government in this book, why it is not right. They are not sent by the God to rule on us. They are also human being like us. Okay, and it doesn't have the right that they can only rule on us. Okay, I hope you understand. If you don't understand this point, you can ask me. So what happened after that? So that was the John Locke, and now the second person, Rousseau, he also wrote a book, very interesting book. The book name is The Social Contract. Social Contract, I studied this book in my graduation. So social contract also tells many things. If I'll get the chance to tell you, so I will tell. It is very big topic. So but he told that Vicky bhai, it is a social contract. We have given some power to our king, because we all cannot have the power na, that time in the past. The situation was not there. So that's why we give the power to one person. Ki bhai, your work is to run the country, run the state, run the group. है ना? So that was. So but he is not everything, the king is not everything. People were very become very that time na, people were if they speak something bad word about the king na, they thought that God will become angry with us, you know, kind of thing. So but they people told them. Another person, his name was we can say okay, one person was also there, his name was Montesquieu. Montesquieu also wrote the book, and book name was The Spirit of the Laws. Spirit of the Laws. These three people, John Locke, Two Treatises of Government, second person, John Jacques Rousseau, who wrote The Social Contract, and third person, Montesquieu. He wrote The Spirit of the Laws. Okay, so what he wrote? He wrote the same thing which is going on today also. He said one person should not have the right to decide everything. Okay, he said power should be divided. So power should be divided between legislative, executive, and judiciary. I will tell this thing you in civics, and I hope I told you also. No, I told in class 10, that is. Okay, so in the next chapters we will discuss about this. So simply the what happened there. So the spirit of the laws, they have Montesquieu written. He told by one person should not have all the powers. Power should be divided. When then a person cannot take the advantage of it. Okay, so this is the model. This was the model that time, which America forced in the government. America, when America became freedom, America became free with 13 colonies. It means 13 states from Britain. So American people give their people constitution, they give an individual right they have given, and they have discussed this power distribution of legislative, executive, and judiciary. Okay, you need to understand how important it was. So these idea of Rousseau, these idea of Locke, John Locke, and the idea of Montesquieu. So this kind of people's idea was spread in whole France. People started talking about these thoughts, these ideas, and how then people, if they went to salon for hair cutting, people were talking, why he said this, is it right? Some people who were having the fear of king, so they said no, 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 it is not right, because king is sent by the god, and this kind of thing. Then people tell them no, it is not right, they are also human being like us, and if they are not following it in the good way, if they are making us people harassed, if they are taking the advantage of us, if they are making us very troubled, so it means they are not doing the right work. We need to change them, or at least we need to ask the questions to them. Okay, so the idea of these philosophers discussed intensively in the saloon, coffee house, spread among the people through book, newspaper. Those people who did not able to write the, did not able to read the book, so people started telling them. Those who are educated, na, they started reading the book for them, and slowly, slowly, this idea of government, this idea of democracy kind of thing, this idea of a kind of revolution started. Revolution did not make in a one day. Okay, it took many years. Okay, people were having problems from hundreds of years. In the third state, they were suppressing. People were, the clergies and nobility kind of person, people, they were enjoying, okay, over them. So they were suppressed kind of thing, and then these new ideas also came. So we can understand that this was not the matter of one day. Okay, it took many years to be formed. Yeah. So like this, so the news that Louis XVI planned to impose further taxes to able to meet. Now very important, and end of this topic, uh, Louis XVI, who was the king of that time of France, so what he did, now he wanted more money because his account was empty. Okay, his account was empty, and now he wanted money. For what? For giving the loan of other countries of 2 billion livres. Secondly, he need to do what? Because he was having many expenses, he want to live a very good life, very luxurious life. So he needed money for that. Okay, luxurious life, to give his servants money. Okay, and different enjoyments, you know. And third, to make his condition better, so he needed money that time. So when he needed money, so what he decided, he on the third state he will impose some new taxes. New taxes means by now, okay, they were very poor people, na, they were having the many taxes already. So what he did, when now I want more money, so that's why I impose new taxes on him. So his government planned to impose new taxes on third state people. So that was the starting of this revolution. Okay, so I hope you understood this. If you will not get you didn't get anything, you can ask me in the group. You can send the message in comments, you can tell me. And if you want on some point that I elaborate, that I explain any topic, any point, so you can tell me, I will do that. Okay, so thank you so much for this. And good, thank you.